Modern, smart, and sustainable. That's the future of urban gardening here at the Luneta Park. From leafy vegetables to herbs and even Japanese muskmelons, the redeveloped Luneta Urban Garden is showing how produce can be grown, even in the heart of the city, with the help of modern farming technologies.
So yung nandun sa loob ng greenhouse natin is yung Dutch bucket technology. And then itong auto-dosing, ito yung bagong implement na inilagay natin doon. We put in some simple technologies that will be easily adapted by urban farmers or those with interest sa gardening.
Relaunching just this year, the garden's greenhouse uses an automatic dosing system that helps regulate the water supply and nutrients needed by the plants, reducing the need for constant manual monitoring.
Ito po ay autodoser. Siya na po yung automatic na magtitimpla ng nutrient sa tangke na ibibigay sa halaman para less na po yung 1 hour na makukonsume. Connected na rin po siya sa phone. Pwede nyo po siyang ma-control through dashcam.
For the Bureau of Plant Industry, the technology is not just about making farming easier. It's also encouraging younger people to take interest in agriculture.
Baka kasi mga kabataan natin ngayon, ayaw na nilang magdukal ng lupa. So we have soilless farming. We have, yun nga, yung auto-dosing technology. Ayaw nilang magdilig ng 3 or 2 times a day. So we can have sensors that can sense kung kailangan ng diligan ng halaman o kailangan ng lagyan ng fertilizer. So
But beyond attracting a new generation of farmers, the project also supports a bigger goal, strengthening food security.
ang basic principle is to have food production systems sa smallest unit ng ating which is the barangay. But we cannot do it alone if we want to make it massive. So even yung ating mga listeners or viewers na kung gusto nilang mag-participate even individually within their communities or families, we're ready to help them para to teach them the right way to plant para tuloy-tuloy.
As Manila continues to grow and space for traditional farming becomes more limited, officials hope urban agriculture can help bring food production closer to communities, proving that even in a highly urbanized city, farming can still find room to grow.
Pagka meron kang food production system sa cities, medyo nababawasan yung logistics cost mo, freshness ng iyong gulay na andyan lang sa tabi mo, a few meters away from you. So, it can contribute to a better quality of food produced. Baka maka-encourage siya ng mas healthy living. And I think, yun yung gusto nating gawin.